Moving in or out of Sunnyvale, California? Here's exactly what you need to know to avoid delays, damages, and surprise costs. Straight from trusted pros. Sunnyvale has high-rise condos, narrow driveways, HOA restrictions, and strict move-in windows. Choose a mover who understands local logistics. In Silicon Valley, many movers charge by the hour and stretch time. 3 Movers offers transparent flat-rate pricing so you don't overpay. Moving into a downtown Sunnyvale apartment or complex? You may need a city-issued parking or elevator reservation. Don't wait. Get it secured early. Moving in a tech hub means moving tech. Protect computers, servers, and sensitive equipment with custom crating and climate-safe packaging. Traffic on US 101 and I-280 can add hours. Schedule early morning moves to beat congestion and maximize crew efficiency. Save time and reduce risk by bundling services. 3 Movers offers full-service packing, short-term storage, and post-move cleaning. Last month, we moved a family from Fremont to Sunnyvale in under 5 hours with 0 damage, despite a 3 RD floor walk-up. That's what experience delivers. 3 Movers is fully licensed, insured, and trusted across the Bay Area. Whether it's residential, office, or long distance, we move Sunnyvale smarter. Moving in Sunnyvale? Let 3 Movers handle the heavy lifting. Get your free quote online today. It only takes 60 seconds.